How do you empty your cooler? As you can check out, I'm just going to letting you know that how you can empty your cooler in just no time, in just in seconds. As you can check out, we have this bottle cap that is cut from a disposable bottle, and this pipe. If you have this thing, you can easily empty your cooler in just few seconds. Just follow the instructions what I'm gonna letting you know, and after that you don't have to take any utensil and keep filling your bucket. You have to just do what I'm gonna share with you. First of all, take it to your garden or anywhere, and after that, as you can check out, I'm instructing you, you have to fill this pipe and this cap with water, and after that you have to take the pipes one end outside from the water and one side should be inside the water. As you can check out, I have filled this pipe and cap with the water. It's just not closed by me properly. I am just filling it again. As you can check out, this pipe is fully filled with water, and now you have to dip this bottle side into the cooler water, and after that you have to take this one side out and you have to leave the closing option, and voila, as you can check out, water has just started. As you can check out, water has started, and now you can easily completely empty your water cooler, and that's the process, that's the trick, that you can easily empty your water cooler. And now I'm just trying to do, and now as you can check out, the cooler is fully empty. Hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like if you liked this video and trick, and don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this.